Have a good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Rosvelia Bawa Naasan. I'm 34 years old from Dulaw, Malipkong, Abra. I am a high school graduate. My work experience, I recently finished my 2 years contract in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. My work in Saudi is to clean, ironing, car washes, and also taking care of their elderly. My duties and responsibilities in your home as a helper is to clean, washing, car washes, and gardening, and I'm willing to learn to cook. If you heard me, I will do everything to learn and also obey the rules inside the home. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, patient. Just give me a chance to prove myself. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for my future and for my family. Thank you and God bless.